Welcome to iFX EXPO Networking app. This brief guide will walk you through accessing the platform, updating your profile, and maximizing networking opportunities to enhance your event experience. To get started, log in using the email you registered with. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to create a password. Forgot it? No problem. Select Send Me a Magic Link to reset. Once logged in, you'll land on the iFX EXPO homepage, where you can explore the agenda, exhibitor list, attendees list, floor plan, and much more. To optimize your profile, head to the Edit option in the left menu or the drop-down at the top right. To improve your visibility, make sure to add all the relevant information, such as biography, social links, and contact information. This step is crucial, as the platform's AI uses your profile to suggest personalized connections and enhance networking. Knowledge Network. Visit the attendee page to browse or search for specific people or keywords. The AI-powered recommendations will highlight users relevant to your interests. To connect, click a profile and send a connection request with an optional message. Once accepted, you'll see their contact details. You can also schedule meetings directly from profiles. Available slots are displayed for each user. Select a time, add participants, choose a location, and include a message if you'd like. Send the request, and once accepted, the meeting will be confirmed. Finally, under My Event, you can access all your connections, meetings, and bookmarks. Under My Meetings tab, you will be able to adjust your availability by marking slots as unavailable, as well as export your schedule to your calendar or download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.